Alright, so I've managed to scrape my car just on an outing today, and I've done some pretty heavy damage, a pretty deep scratch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my best to actually try and rectify this. You can see how nasty it is when you pan back, and I will film the process, so what I'm going to be using and how I'm going to go about it, trying my best to fix this damage, or at least minimize it. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have actually sanded that scratch down just to level it more with a 1200 grit. Now I'm going to refine that with Osren Perfect 50 compound and a mini polisher with a denim pad, which equates to about a 2000 grit. So we'll try and level that down. There's still a lot more polishing to go, but we are actually going to add some touch up to this scratch, and then we'll refine further from there. Okay, so we've compounded that now with the Perfect 50. Now that's removed the 1200 grit sanding marks pretty easily. So now we've got a more smooth, consistent surface. We don't have that sharp edge, and we'll start with the touch up. Okay, so we've touched up the deep scratch, pretty much gouge in the panel. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a fine layer of clear, and then I'll chop it down again and then machine polish it out with the mini DA. Standard fluoro garage lights. It's pretty much barely noticeable. It's not going to catch your eye and you're going to see it. So when I have the bank of fluoro lights lined up, which I use for purposes of removing deep scratches, orange peel, and doing small touch-ups or applying ceramic coatings, that does show up everything. So when you do look close, so when I move that camera here, you can actually see where it is. You can see the damage to the panel. You can see how it's dented and it is creased. But when you look at it directly, it's nowhere near as noticeable as how it was before, that big white scratch. So it is a big improvement, and that's good enough until it does get repaired by a professional. Thank you.